Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Beatrice. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be talking about 10 beauty products that I would likely repurchase. I've been wanting to do this video for a while, but I was kind of skeptical about the product I'm going to show you all, because about 90% of the product I use it repeatedly. I've purchased it like over and over again, so I didn't want to make a huge video, but I'm gonna do it like bit by bit. So for today, I'm gonna show you guys 10 beauty products that I would likely repurchase. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can be notified anytime I post a video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the Eco Styling Gel, and I feel like every natural, or everyone actually knows Eco Styling Gel. I've been using this gel for a really long time, and it has worked like marvelously on for my hair. I have like some people tell me, some of my close friends tell me that Eco Styling Gel doesn't work for their hair type. I'm so lucky that it does work for me, and as you can see, I use Eco Styling Gel on my hair. And yes, this gel is really good. There are other types. This one contains olive oil. There are other types. There's one that contains argan oil, so you can get as many types, but Eco Styling Gel is really nice. If you haven't purchased it, you should purchase it. You should start using it. Actually, that's if it works for your hair type, because a lot of people it doesn't work. I really like this gel. It doesn't leave this white flaky thing on your hair. This gel is really good. You should get it if you haven't gotten it, and I would definitely actually repurchase this product. The second product I'm going to show you guys is the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I love Cantu. Their products smell really good and they work perfectly for my hair. Now my hair, I have a really soft hair texture that anything goes with it, so that's a pro of my hair actually. So I really like this product. It's really good. As you can see here, it's almost finished. I really like it. I have other type, but I just wanted to show you guys this particular one because this is the best of all. I really like it. It makes my hair really soft and easy to work with, so yeah, I would definitely repurchase this one. Next product I would likely repurchase is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer, and this is in the shade Cappuccino. I really love this concealer. I'm using it right now. This one is finished. This is the used new one ish. I really love this concealer. It gives me the perfect finish I need, and yes, I would repurchase this one, and it's not expensive actually, so yeah, this is a go for me. Now the next product I will repurchase is it's a bit pricey, and it's the Dior Lip Glow Reviver Balm. I got this one the first time, and this one has I think this is the old one because it has a different packaging, but this is the new one, and this one is almost at the bottom level. I really love this balm. It's a bit pricey though, but yes, the only thing I don't like about this balm is the fact that it leaves a pink color on the lips. Now I don't do well with pink. I don't even do well with lipstick to start with. If you observe in my previous videos, I'm always on lip gloss and brown lip liner, but that's my only problem with this balm. I don't like the fact that it leaves a pink color, and being that I'm not really good with color on my lips, it's kind of like not really good, but other than that, it leaves your lips looking fresh and soft, and yeah, I would definitely repurchase this one. This is my second already. Now the next product I'm going to show you guys is the Garnier. Now in my opinion, Garnier can never go wrong. I love their product. make really nice product, good for all skin type. I'm just gonna pick my two favorite, which is the Garnier Repairing Care body lotion, and I have the Garnier 3-in-1 makeup remover. As you can see, it's already at the bottom. I really love this product. Anytime I use this lotion, my skin, I don't know, my skin just feels like a baby basically. Now I have a dry skin type, my skin easily gets dry, so I always like using intense moisture lotion, so this one works really good for me. I always like using either cocoa butter or something that has a deep conditioning or deep moisture, and this one I would definitely repurchase. Now for the 3-in-1 makeup remover, I don't know, I love it. Takes off my makeup like without too much stress, you know. Just put it on a cotton pad and then you're good to go. The next product I'm going to show you guys is the Neutrogena Blackhead Eliminating Toner. I love this toner. I started using this toner when I had a friend who had acne, so he was looking for what was going to work for his acne, and then a friend of his actually prescribed this one for him, and it worked really good for him. And I was like, okay, let me just try. I don't have acne actually, but I just wanted something that is going to keep my face like retain the moisture and everything. So I love this toner. I really like it. I just use it every night before I sleep, because in the morning I use rose water, so in the night I use this, and it works perfectly well for me. It doesn't give me any pimple or rashes or anything. It's really good. So I would definitely repurchase this one. Now in the same category is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleanser. I have been using this cleanser for more than 2 years now. I really love this cleanser. As of now, this is the only cleanser I'm using. I don't know, again, I have a dry skin type, so this one just kind of, it retains every single moisture. It doesn't leave your face dry. It's just amazing. I would definitely repurchase this one. And I recommend this particular cleanser. I recommend it to everyone. It's really good. It works perfectly for me, and even some of my friends that use this one, it works perfectly for them. So I would definitely recommend this cleanser for you, and I would definitely repurchase this one. The last brand I'm gonna show you guys is the Body Shop. I don't know what to say, but I don't know what to say, but Body Shop, you can't go wrong. I don't know, for me, you can't go wrong with Body Shop. I have 3 products here that I have more, but these are the ones that I would definitely repurchase till it gets discontinued. The first one here is the Body Shop Vitamin E Overnight Serum and Oil. I love this serum so much. It works perfectly for me. It's lightweight, that it's amazing. I don't even know, I'm speechless actually. This one is really good. I like this one. I have been using it for a while now. I used this one I had the lotion for this vitamin E, but I didn't repurchase that, and the reason isn't really anything bad. It was just because I didn't like the smell. I wasn't really, it didn't smell bad, but it was just not my smell, you know, so I didn't get that. But this one works perfectly for me, and I used this one with just a random normal face moisturizer. The first time I got this one, I used it with the Vitamin C Glow moisturizer, but I think it was too harsh for me. I don't know, but my face wasn't working well, so I now use them separately. The next product is the Body Shop Vitamin C moisturizer. As you can see, it's just a little bit left. I really love it. I would definitely repurchase this one. It gives my face like the moisture that it deserves, and I feel like every body should at least have a moisturizer that contains vitamin C, because it's really good for your skin. And that brings me to the last product I'm going to show you guys, which is the Body Shop Vitamin C Cleansing Glow. Now this one is a face scrub. I use this like every day, but now I use it every other day because it's face scrub. It wasn't good for my skin like using it every day, so I use it like every 3 days or every 2 days. So yeah, so this one I definitely recommend you getting. It smells so good. Even the face glow, they smell vitamin C. It smells so good. It leaves your face really moisturized. I really like it, and I definitely recommend you to get this one. Really good. That brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got something from it. Like I said before, these are not the only products that I would likely repurchase. These are the ones that, few of many that I picked out just to show you guys, and I hope you really loved it. Let me know in the comment section which product you are currently using, or which product you will likely repurchase. And thank you for sticking to the end of this video. Give the video a thumbs up if you loved it, and hit the subscribe button again to get more content like this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.